We are going to put together our Swiss Meringue Buttercream, one of the most delicious buttercreams you'll ever eat. You will need some egg white for this. 30 grams of egg white, 60 grams of castor sugar, and 80 grams of butter. To get a successful buttercream, it's very important that your butter is soft. So soft, you may want to bring it out maybe 2 to 3 hours before you do this. So you can see how I can cream this into a paste that's soft, so not rock hard from the fridge. Otherwise, it will form lumps in your buttercream. You will need a bain-marie for this. So we're making a very small batch, and this is one of those recipes, funnily enough, that the more you make, the easier it actually is. So if you're doing this at home, I would actually recommend that you double or even quadruple the recipe. It is easier to mix, especially if you're doing it for the first time. It's faster, it's easier, and this keeps very well. So you can store it in the fridge, and it's not just for rolls and roulades. You can use it to frost a birthday cake. So I have my bowl. I've got an electric mixer. This is very important, electric mixer. If you're doing ×4 the quantity, you can use a stand mixer. That is actually the best equipment for making a Swiss meringue buttercream. If you've only got a hand whisk, you cannot do this. You can't do this with a hand whisk. So we're going to place this on the bain-marie, whisk the egg white and the sugar until it becomes opaque. Then we'll take it off the bain-marie, and then we'll start adding our buttering little by little, little by little, and you will see it transforming every few minutes. So you will need a whisk, a hand whisk, a stainless steel bowl or a glass bowl, a pot with some water, just enough water to bring up some steam, not too much that the bottom of the pot is actually touching the water. Okay, so we'll get all our ingredients and we will begin. So once you've weighed everything out, sugar goes into your mixing bowl. You've got your egg white also going into the mixing bowl. Get my whisk. So whisk is ready. Hand mixer also set. I turn the hob on. So I'll mix this together now. So sugar and egg white, this is what it looks like now. Look at the color. After about 3 to 4 minutes on the bain-marie, it will become thicker. It will become thicker and opaque. So you're looking at the texture and the color as well. So those are the two things that will indicate and let you know when it's time for you to start whisking this with your hand mixer.